Alright, so this is just a follow-up video, just taking a look at the 4/4 Beast tokens for Magic the Gathering. As you can see, it came along pretty well, and I did figure out how to tweak the settings in order to conserve the amount of time that it took to make this. So what it ultimately turned out to be was the text. I had it set to fill, and because I had it set to fill, the text was actually adding the majority of the time onto the entire engraving before it could even get to the cut. So I removed the filling off the letters, so now as you can see, it's just etching in the letters, so it's completing up right now, and then ultimately it's gonna finish up the cut. But it came out really well. I'm looking forward to seeing the finished product, because it has, like, you know, little markers in the middle of the letters. Is kind of doing bits and pieces of the letters at a time for each one versus doing the entire letter in one shot, because it's, you know, one part at a time. But almost done. So I do agree with a video that I saw, sorry, not a video, a post that I saw where they were talking about how since this is not really vacuum sealed, how you can see in it, you do get a smell that comes out of here. You can see that it's clearly pulling everything out, and I have it blowing out the window here. But if you're really concerned about that, I'd suggest to just put some masking tape here, and then that way you don't have to worry about any of it coming out. But it's just wood, it's not that big of a deal. I have this in the second room, so that way I tend to keep this door closed usually when I'm in the process of doing the work. Alright, so I personally like to let it sit for a little bit to kind of just air out, but boom, look at that. Perfect. Perfect! 4/4 Beast tokens. I will, for the next time I make these, I'll move the text over just a little bit, so that way it's not so close to the edge, but still, not bad. When we go play Magic, people are going to be like, yo, I like them tokens. Where you get those? I made them. Oh, word? Yo, let me get some. I'll sell them.